Hello everyone, I hope you are fine inshallah. Welcome to the class in online learning school with a new topic, and this lecture is gonna be very interesting because in this lecture we will learn a lot of simple sentences and a lot of new words. But before we start sentences, let me explain one last point from the previous lecture. Zaleka, which means that is. And this is very simple, just change haza to Zalika. For example, Ma Zalika, what is that? Zalika baytun, that is a home. Or Man Zalika, who is that? Zalika tabibun, that is a doctor. Haza hisanun wa zalika himarun, this is a horse and that is a donkey, and so on. Okay, next point is ismi marifa and ismi nakira. Ismi marifa mean definite noun and ismi nakira mean indefinite noun. Okay, we studied it already in previous lecture, but let me revise again. That when we remove the n sound from indefinite noun and add alif lam is a prefix, then it will become definite noun. For example, kitabun mean a book. So we will remove the n sound and add alif lam. Kitabun will change to al-kitab, the book. It will become a specific, okay? Same like this, baytun mean a home and al-baytu mean the home. And so on. Okay, now let me give you example of simple sentences. Number 1. Al-qalamu maksurun, the pen is broken. Al-qalamu mean the pen, maksurun mean broken. So in English we will translate the pen is broken. Remember one thing, there is no word for is in Arabic. In this sentence, the first part is called mubtada, means subject, and the second is khabar, mean news. Okay, news about the subject. The pen is broken, pen is mubtada, subject, and broken is the news about the pen called khabar. Okay, next one is al-babu maftuhun, the door is open. Al-babu mean the door, maftuhun mean open. Al-babu maftuhun, the door is open. Okay, next one is al-waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun, the boy is sitting and the teacher is standing. Al-waladu mean the boy. Why we say the boy? Because here is alif lam before walad. Okay, jalisun mean sitting, wa mean and, mudarris mean teacher, waqifun mean standing. Al-waladu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun, the boy is sitting and the teacher is standing. Okay, next one is al-kitabu jadidun wal qalamu qadimun, the book is new and the pen is old. Kitab mean book, jadid mean new, qalam mean pen, and qadim mean old. Al-kitabu jadidun wal qalamu qadimun, the book is new and the pen is old. Okay, next one is no, leave the next one. I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for staying with us. Goodbye, see you soon with a lot of new examples inshallah. Thank you.